Should you replace your air conditioning unit and your furnace at the same time? Well, if they're both outside of warranty and they were both installed roughly about the same time, you should really look at replacing them at the same time. What's been really neat is there's been some changes in our industry in the last 5-10 years where the products themselves, they're designed to work well with each other. They are designed to be more efficient together, and they're rated from an efficiency standard in conjunction with working with each other. Also, at the same time, you gain some efficiency in time, material, and labor, and it ends up being more cost effective over the long term to replace them at the same time, even though it's more expensive upfront. It also gives you the opportunity to look at more comfort level fixes. So this would be the time too to figure out, are you comfortable in your home? Which rooms are you too hot or too cold in? Replacing your air conditioning and furnace system, if you keep the same ducting, probably will not impact the comfort in a way that's manageable or in a way that's really noticeable. So it's at that time when you're considering replacing both your furnace and your air conditioner that you're also looking at the comfort in your own house. You're looking at the duct system, potentially adding split units or room by room comfort, depending on what your comfort needs are. It's really nice to be comfortable in your own house, to have your children's bedroom be at the right temperature. It's nice to have your own bedroom at your right temperature. It's nice to have your office or your living room at the right temperature so that you're comfortable in your own home. You spend a lot of time there, and it's a great place to feel comfortable in.